Okay, the purpose of this demonstration is to show you how to remove unwanted commercials from television shows recorded onto DVD with your set-top DVD recorder, which is how I do it. It's very similar to using a VCR. It's very simple. Blank DVDs are cheap. First of all, you either you can pull the file straight from the disc, or you can just copy them to your hard drive, which is what I like to do because it processes faster that way. So I've copied them over. Here you see, after I bring it in, there's one big title set. It's 2 hours, over 2 hours long, which contains all those commercials that we don't want. We're going to choose the reauthor mode in DVDShrink, which is a really nice feature. And you see I've got my one big title set over here on the right. I'm going to start by dragging it over onto the left side with the DVD structure area. So the first thing I need to do is choose Set and Start in frames for the first title, so which at the beginning it's already there. I don't have to change it. So I drag my bottom slider over to the beginning of the first commercial break, which there it is. I found it pretty quickly, and then of course we want to get it just right and up too far back. So that's my first commercial break. I just need to make a note of the time so I know where to start my next one. Just say OK, and then drag over my next title set, still 2 hours, and drag it over. And we're going to set start in frames on it by right clicking, choose same menu option, drag my top slider over to the area where that end of that first commercial break was until I find after the commercials are over and where the next one starts. There it is, and I stop right where the television show starts back. Let me back till I can find the beginning. It's almost there. It's a little catchy here. When you're doing it with a screen capture, it doesn't drag quite as well, but it works really well if you're not doing a screen capture, I promise. Okay, so there it is. There's commercial, the Subaru commercial. So I scroll the bottom one over all as far as it'll go, and then I drag it forward till it starts to the next commercial break. Of course, there it is, AARP. Whoop, don't want that. Go back. There it is, the end right there. Okay, there's the end of that one. Choose OK. So I make a note of that that time. So there it is. Then I continue this process all the way until all the commercials are removed, and I end up with just actually I didn't want that Subaru there, so let's take it out. There, nice, it's gone. Okay, continue the process. Drag it over, set start and end frames. Drag it over, set start in frames until you get all the way to the very end and you complete the process. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and assume we're finished. We're going to back it up. We're going to put it in a folder. Actually, let's not do that. Let's browse and just put it in a location. Go to not my computer. We'll go to we'll go to the C drive and just put it in that same location where I had the original files. And of course, you'll also see a completed one in there where I've already removed the other commercials. So make a new folder, click OK, and of course there begins the backup process of our DVD with the commercials removed. And once it's finished, of course you can burn it and it'll play straight through in order. I do want to show you the titles here quickly, what the titles look like. We'll just bring up our folder that's on our hard drive so you can see. Here we go. And I'll just show you the one that I've completed so you can see all the different titles. And there's each one you see here, there's different file sizes. Those represent individual video segments that are in between the commercial breaks, and now all we have is the video that we want, so we don't have to watch the commercials when we play it back. Let's open the files of DVDShrink just to show you what that structure looks like in Shrink, and Shrink will see it. Of course, now you've got your full title set here, and there's all those individual titles that will play in order once you burn them with the burning software of your choice, whichever you prefer, Roxio or Sonic.